Are your houseplants looking dead like this? If your houseplants are struggling and you think it's because of a water-related issue or a fertilizer issue, what I can tell you is none of that. What your plants actually need is real sunlight. Yes, real sunlight. When you bring plants indoors, doesn't matter how much water you give them or how you fertilize them, if they do not have the correct lighting, your plants are going to struggle. So if you want to grow houseplants indoors, you need a Barina grow light. So what's the difference between a grow light and your kitchen light or your bathroom light? Well, a Barina grow light has the full light spectrum. It has the blue spectrum that's going to allow plant growth, and it also has the red spectrum that is going to promote flowering. But the best thing that I like about this light specifically right here, it's an LED light, and it doesn't really put out that much heat. This one specifically, it's a TX72, which means it only uses 72 watts of power, which is equivalent of 500 watts for a regular grow light. And for that reason, it doesn't really put out that much heat, which works great for my setup right here. As you can see, I have this enclosure right here. I close the door and my plants do not cook in there. With a regular grow light, they will cook in there. You will need ventilation. My plants have been here for just a couple of weeks. These plants were actually struggling in here. They were only getting the light from my shop right here, which is very bright, but it's not enough light to grow plants indoors. And I can tell you, my lighting right here, it's a lot brighter than most of your houses out there. Brighter than your kitchen, brighter than your bathroom lights, but nothing compared to a Barina grow light. So my plants have been here for just a couple of weeks, and look, I already got new growth coming up. This plant right here was struggling. These leaves right here are brand new for the past couple of weeks. This one has a new leaf right here, and this one right here started flowering in just about 2 weeks. I also have a humidifier in here providing humidity, which is very important for your plants, especially when you keep them indoors, because of your air conditioning system, it sucks up the moisture from the air, and plants don't like dry air, especially if they do not have enough lighting. Over here, I have a few plants I just put in there, and eventually they're gonna look amazing. So this is my plant setup right here. It looks great. I'm gonna probably put a few more plants in there. So this is a temporary setup for my light. So I just taped that up there. It's on the side. So what I do every few days, I just turn my plants like this, so that way they don't start leaning towards the light. Eventually, I'm gonna put another light over there and maybe one back there. Why not? They don't use that much power and they do not put out that much heat, so my plants are not gonna cook in here. So the more lighting, the better. So there you go. If you're looking for a grow light, get yourself a Barina grow light. Link in the description for a special discount code. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll see you next time.